Assalamualaikum. I'm Fauzia Sumaya, teacher of class 1, Icon Academy English version. How are you, my dear students? Hope you all are very fine with your parents. I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. But I'm missing you so much. And I think you also missing us. That's why we are coming in front of you through the online class. I know you are already informed about the recent biggest crisis of our country as well as of the world, that is COVID-19. So, I don't want to discuss it again. I just want to remind you that to stay safe from this coronavirus, we have to wash our hands with soap and water by several times of the day. And we also have to take healthy foods and a lot of water. And always we have to stay at home and pray to the Almighty Allah. Inshallah, Allah will help us. Okay, now come to the lesson. Today I am going to take the class of elementary mathematics. We have already completed our first semester syllabus. So, today we will work with our second tutorial syllabus. So, students, first of all, take your book and open page 50. Here we get some word problems. First one is number 2. Lisa had 8 toys. She gave her younger sister 3 toys. Then how many toys were left with her? Lisa had 8 toys. Think Lisa had 8 toys. And she gave her younger sister how many toys? 3 toys. From that 8 toys. Now how many toys left with Lisa? Come, let's come to solve this. Page 50. Okay, question number 2. Lisa had 8 toys. Then she gave her sister how many toys? 3 toys. Then how many toys are left with her? So what can I do now? We have to subtract from Lisa's toys number to her sister's toys number. For that we have to put the subtraction sign. Now we can write left. How many toys were left? Then left 8. We have to subtract 3 from 8 and we will get 5 toys. So now we can write the answer. Answer is 5 toys. Okay. Then number 3 and number 4 are the same type of math. These two are, and I think you will solve this. You can solve this by yourselves. So you will do this at home. Now come to the number 5. Number 5 is fill in the blank spaces. These maths we have already done. These are the same type of find out the hidden numbers. We already done these maths, find out the hidden numbers. That maths and these maths are same. So okay, then we try to solve first one. Number 5. First one is 5 minus blank spaces equal to. What can we do now? We know when we subtract any number from another number, the first one will be greater than the second one. So here we have to subtract 2 from the 5 to get the answer. Here 5 is the greater number or big number. We can do it by we can show the rough, or here we have to subtract 2 from 5 and we get 3. So now we can write 3 here, and we can write the answer. Okay, done. And very easy, and I think we can solve the next maths because these are same types. Okay, now turn over the page 51. Here we can get some very interesting and very easy things. That is number 2, write the numbers in between. That means 3 and 5. Here we can see 3 and 5, but the between number is absent. We have to put the between number, that is 3 এবং 5 এর মাঝখানের নাম্বারটা, সেটা কি? That number is 4. So we can put here 4. Like this you can solve the other maths by the same style, same process. And number 3, write the next number. These also very easy. Number 4, write the previous number. You can do these, I think. Then arrange the numbers from smaller to greater, and arrange the number from greater to smaller. I think it is not needed to show you because you are already you are able to do this. Okay, then turn over page and come to page 52. Yes, here we get some additions, some subtractions also, and some word problems. The additions and subtractions are very silly, and I believe you will do it by yourselves. No need to help you. You are able to do this. Then come to number 9. It is an word problem. So I am trying to help you to solve this word problem. Okay. So look at the question. Question number 9. Look at the question. Ronnie has 5 storybooks. Rumi has 3 storybooks. How many storybooks do they have together? Ronnie has 5 storybooks and Rumi has 2 storybooks. Not the same. One has 5 and another has 3. How many storybooks do they have together? Now I have to find out the number. What is how many books they have together? I have to find out that number. So what can I do? First of all, page 52, number 9. First of all, I have to write Ronnie's storybooks number. Okay, I can write Ronnie has 5 storybooks, and another is Rumi. Rumi has 3 storybooks, okay. What can I do now? I have to add Ronnie's books number with Rumi's books number. That's why I have to put the addition sign, and I can write total 3 and 5 togetherly make 8 story books. Then I can write the answer. The answer is 8 story books. Okay, done. 9 number math is done. Then number 10 and 12, 13, all are the same type of maths. You can solve this try to solve by yourselves. Do it at home. Then come to the page number 54. Okay, these maths are very interesting because you have to think about the question. You have to think more and more, and then you have to solve this math. Look, the first one. There were 8 passengers in a bus. Try to think. There are 8 passengers in a bus. 3 passengers got down in a stoppage and 4 passengers got in. How many passengers are there in the bus now? Okay, think 8 passengers are in a bus. After some times the bus come in a stoppage and 3 passengers got down. That means নেমে গেল 3 জন প্যাসেঞ্জার কিছুক্ষণ পর. Then how many passengers left? We have to find out that number. Then we will go ahead. So first part we start. Okay, we can write there were 5 passengers in a bus. At the first time there were 5 passengers, so I write there were no, not 5, 8 passengers. Okay, there were 8 passengers. Okay, and what happened after some times 3 passengers got down, so I can write got down 3 passengers. Then now how many passengers left? I have to subtract. Left, what will be here? 5 passengers. Now again 4 passengers got in. 4 passengers got in means now there are 5 passengers in the bus, and if 4 passengers got in, then how many passengers will be in the bus? So we can write now there were there are how many? 5 passengers. 5 passengers and got in মানে আবার গাড়িতে উঠলো. How many passengers? 4 passengers. Then now how many passengers are in the bus? We have to add this number. Total. Now the total number of the passengers are 5 and 4. That means 9 passengers. And now I can write the answer. The answer is 9 passengers. Okay, done. Then there are 2 more maths in this page, and those maths are same with this math. So I think you can try it and you can solve it. Just follow the system. You can solve these maths to follow this system. Okay, you will be able, because it is not difficult, it's interesting. You have to think and then you have to solve. You have to think the question, then you have to solve. Now come to page number 64. We need not to solve. I think I need not to show you, because here we can get some maths like greater to smaller, fill in the boxes, greater to smaller, smaller to greater, then write the number in between, write the next number, write the previous number. These are very easy, and you already can solve this. Then these are so easy. Circle the large number. There are we can see two numbers. Which one is larger? We have to circle this number. So easy. And here we can see some numbers. We have to arrange this number smaller to greater and greater to smaller. Very easy thing, and you can solve this. Then the last page, 66 page. Come to the page number 66. Okay, the first one is Mitu had. Here also, we are seeing some what problem. Besides this, here also some additions. These additions are also some silly additions, not much difficult. You can do this. I just help you to solve the word problem from this page. First one is the question. Mitu had 12 pencils and her father gave her 4 more pencils. How many pencils does she have? Again, listen. Mitu had 12 pencils. How many pencils? 12. And her father gave her 4 more pencils. How many pencils does she have now? That means addition, because Mitu had 12 pencils and her father gave her more 4 pencils. That means we have to add. Okay. Try to write page 66. Okay. Then I can write Mitu had how many pencils? 12. 12 pencils. And her father gave her. Then I can write father gave how many pencils? 4. 4 pencils. Then I have to put a addition mark. Then we will calculate. You can write total. Okay, total. 2 and 4 are 6, and there is 1. That means 16 pencils. Okay. Answer is 16 pencils. Okay. Next, there are another 3 maths. These are in the same style, same math, same type of math. You can solve this. So now I'm giving you some homework. We already completed the important things from our syllabus, and some maths I keep for you to complete at home. These are the homeworks for you. Okay, try to do it at your home. These are your homeworks from page 50, 3, 4 and 5 number math, from page 52, 10, 12 and 13, from page 54, 2 and 3, and from page 66, 3, 4 and 5. These are the homework for you. In this lockdown situation, you are getting enough time, so you can solve this math at home and enjoy happy time with your family, and don't go outside from your home. And again I am saying you take good foods, healthy foods, and a lot of water, and wash your hands, and always pray to our Almighty Allah for all of us. Thank you. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum.